Hopefully by now you have seen our magnificent new workshop coming together on the show. In fact, that really is what the show's about, me achieving this dream across the series, and I'm very pleased. We've got everything in it. We've got fabrication bay there, ventilated dust extraction. We've got absolutely top-of-the-line paint oven with downdraft extraction and heating, and next to it, a top-of-the-range, state-of-the-art paint scheme. All very good. But there's one part of the workshop I particularly wanted to show off today, and it is, I feel, the most important, the most significant, and the cleverest. I feel that largely because I made it. And it's these, well, they're safety rails. I did make them myself, and I think it's as a result of that. You might have noticed on the show that it's glossed over rather quickly. So I thought I'd take the time to talk to you here and tell you a bit about them. They are designed to conform to safety rail standards. They're the correct height and they're solid. They are, as you can see, resembling an Airfix kit in this instance of, well, it's obvious, it's a Mini. The process by which I make them is kind of fun. So I got Hadrian, the engineer next door, to make me up these frames, all in bare metal, and supply me with a 22mm pipe that forms what I think is called, and James May will tell you this, sprue. This sprue is the inner frames. He also provides me with these little metal cones. It's then a case of choosing the parts to go in it. And these are all bits from a Mini, but not any Mini. A lot of them were from Cam's Mini that we restored on the show. And if you haven't seen that either, you can see it. Click the link in description. Some of the parts I got in from the guys who supplied us bits for the Mini. And I went for bits that sort of say Mini, because to me it's essential two things. You look at these frames and you recognise what they're from. Point one. Point two, if you were here, I don't know, late at night, having a few beers, I want you to look at it and get itchy fingers thinking, ooh, I could snap all those bits out and make it into an actual car. I kind of think you could. The process to make them is bare metal frame, sprue, cut this to length once I've decided where everything's going, weld it in. Then it goes off for blasting, which can be done, thankfully, on the trading estate here. And then it goes off for powder coating. Now, you'll notice this bit's missing. This in here was a coil, which we realised at the last minute we were missing from the Mini, so we snapped it off and used it. That's a lie. We didn't. I didn't even fit it because I suddenly realised before it went off for powder coating, that involves a lot of heat. The coil wouldn't have stood it and would probably have detonated and ruined everything. Anyway, here they are. I'm very, very pleased with them. I'm glad I've had time to tell you about them. The only issue they've created is now got to make a load more because I've got to make more for that run of mezzanine and that bit and that bit. So I'm going to be kind of busy. We are available for commissions, of course, of these unique pieces of art. And if you want to see how little time they're given in the show because I did them, you can click the link in description and see for yourself.